What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and thank you guys all for tuning in and Not Your Father's Capital for yet again another video where we're going to talk about Dogecoin. We're going to talk a little bit about why Dogecoin is seeing some very bullish patterns and how they may break out in the next coming days and weeks. So hit that subscribe button. We're going to take a quick look at the chart, see what's going on with Doge and the rest of the crypto world, and then I'm going to get down in this article and you guys can decide for yourself. Okay, so here we go. Let's take a quick look at the crypto bubbles. You can see the market slightly ticking up into the green across the board. All right, you can see Dogecoin 3.1% up on the day. All right, currently trading hands at 926. All right, so it's still brushing, not hitting that 10 cents level. However, still very positive month ahead for Dogecoin, up 28.2% on the month. Okay, so very positive indicators. We're having a State of the Union tonight. There might be some basically sentiment felt within the stock world as well, the crypto world, when it comes to what price action we could see stemming from the words and kind of just the consensus emotions surrounding this. It would be a short-lived swing. However, when it comes to anything political, macroeconomic, you could see these short-term patterns come in and come out. Okay, so I just want to point that out for you guys, what's going on with the State of the Union tonight. So just be prepared to see what the markets and how they react. With that being said, let's get down into the article. You can see right now Dogecoin is breaking out of a falling wedge. Okay, so technically the indicators are positioning Dogecoin well for a rise. All right, so we're going to talk about what this analyst, Rect Capital, for those of you that follow him on Twitter, basically comes out with a newsletter and is sharing his feelings on Dogecoin. Okay, to see why Dogecoin has a good chance to break out. All right, so at the time of this publication, Doge was trading at 0.90. Okay, so a little bit down from where we currently are at right now. Okay, now what we are seeing though is Doge positioning well for the upside. So why is this positioning going on? We're talking about Dogecoin breaking out from a falling wedge formation. All right, so now that is a reverse pattern. Okay, so when it comes to these technical indicators, you have to kind of take it with a grain of salt, because when you can very easily predict, you can sometimes see what you want to see, if you will. Okay, so when I look at technical indicators, when I trade crypto, I kind of just use it as a tiebreaker, if you will, when I'm trying to make a final determination what's best for me within my portfolio and my wallet. Okay, so when we talk about Dogecoin breaking out from a falling wedge formation, all right, that is basically saying that the price of an asset is likely to head in the opposite direction, okay, which would be upward. All right, and now in the contrary, if it is a rising wedge, the price or the price of the asset could see a decline, and the probability of that happening is very high. However, with, like I said, the precedent and the historical data on the market and the trend lines are basically not well established, considering that crypto and its lifespan thus far. So that's just how I feel about that. All right, so crypto traders kind of mimic the way the stock market performs in most cases. However, you can see more discrepancies because of the volatility surrounding crypto that I do not basically live and die by technical indicators. However, by this analyst and his this pattern that he is seeing, Dogecoin has successfully completed that reverse pattern and is retesting the top of the falling wedge as support. All right, so this is confirming that we broke out. All right, and now that is indicating, as Rect Capital is stating, that Dogecoin is well positioned for upside. Okay, so now he says it is all about the follow through, because the technical indicators are present. Now it's up to the community, okay, and it's up to the other factors that are weighing crypto down. All right, that is what we are seeing as Doge successfully retested the top of the falling wedge as support and confirmed the breakout. So now we are probably going to see Dogecoin break out to the upside, and then basically it probably would be on the stems of all of crypto seeing a move to the upside. All right, so that's just my feelings on that. So it may not be something specific to what Dogecoin is doing. However, due to market conditions and how crypto is performing, I think this would just confirm the pattern that Dogecoin will trend to the upside. All right, so that's how I feel about that. Now, just briefly, as we touch upon Dogecoin dropping 10% since the weekend, that also confirms, if you will, not just a pattern, but just if you look at how Dogecoin has performed in the last weeks and months, it will go down and then it gets a pump back up. Okay, so having that 10% decline and kind of people taking some liquidation, some profit taking, if you will, after the strong start to 2023, that is happening. Okay, and basically we are seeing the swinging of the news due to Elon Musk and the association with Twitter and Dogecoin basically being found innocent of the charges within his Tesla private 420 private take case. Okay, so that lawsuit was initiated against Musk in 2018 after he posted a tweet saying he's taking Tesla private at $420 and that the funding was secured. Okay, so basically that is coming off of just how we look at Elon Musk surrounding Dogecoin and crypto, if you will. When he says something, the market reacts, and as a rule of thumb, it is basically, if it's positive, you're going to see the market go up. Okay, so that is what's going to happen, and we're going to see basically some slight trends and patterns when it relates to the correlation between Dogecoin's price and Elon Musk opening his mouth or using 160 characters, and nowadays those 160 characters do not exist, and just using his Twitter vehicle, if you will. So that is what's going on within Dogecoin. Okay, so I just wanted to share with you what is going on with this technical indicator as we head into the middle of February, get into March. We get more macroeconomic factors that are going to be basically alleviated as the Fed sentiment seems to be continuing to be more dovish. Okay, the jobs growth, the jobs report is very, very promising to see a lot of that softening from the Fed. Okay, so those are just more and more indicators that we are looking for as we get further into 2023. So that's my thoughts. I just want to share with you guys tonight what Dogecoin is doing. I hope you guys are all doing well. Thanks again for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you have not done so, and we'll see you all in the next video.